buddies forever. I love to play catch with my boys and teach them how to throw. I'm so proud to be their dad and guide them as they grow.
We love to fix things with our dad. He knows just what to do. We're so glad to be his sons. He loves us, me and you.
Today is Father and Son's Day, spending time together. Today is Father and Son's Day. Best buddies forever. Best buddies forever. I love to work out with my boys to help them grow up strong. I'm so proud to be their dad. We always get along.